Hi there. If we haven't met yet, my name is Ziebart with Plant-Based for Life. I am so excited to announce my brand new series, Plant-Based Basics, Eat Your Way to Your Best You. My goal with this series is to clear out the clutter, to remove the noise, to get back to basics, to get back to solid science about how to fuel our bodies really, really well. My goal is to equip you with all the information that you need to protect yourself, to give your body the best chance it has at being healthy. Eat the best foods to nourish your body to avoid the likelihood of ending up here. We can do this with being very mindful about our choices. I am so excited to be able to offer it in this format. I've been teaching a variation of this series for years, but this one you can watch over and over and over again in the privacy and comfort of your own space. Also have a bunch of bonuses I can offer as well. Free ebook with resources and a bunch of recipes. A free one-on-one with me. A free private Facebook group for ongoing support. Ongoing support has been scientifically shown to be critical for maintaining healthy changes. Please go get Plant-Based Basics now.